Do you need to break down a lot of cardboard, especially of different kinds? Well, stay tuned and I'm going to show you a blade that will get the job done. I'm impressed. And it's also going to be good for things like cutting up carpet and shingles, but yeah, you get the hint. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the HEMUNC, hopefully I pronounced that right, Oscillating Multi-Tool Hook Knife Blade, and 3 things you need to know about it. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Please look in the description for the URL to purchase this item. Thing number 1, the HEMUNC knife blade is specifically designed to be used in an oscillating multi-tool for optimal results. Now you can use this manually if you want to, but trust me, once you've used it on an oscillator multi-tool, you won't want to use it any other way. Thing number 2. Now there's 2 hooks on this, but the larger hook, which is going to be very prominent, allows you to pull through when you're doing the cutting, and the other hook, the smaller one, allows you to push on the cutting. So it's a matter of how it works best for you. And just there's no wrong way to use this blade. Well, there is, but I don't think any one of us is going to figure it out. Thing number 3, the HEMUNC oscillating multi-knife blades are compatible with many oscillating tools. The one I use was not listed on the approved list, but I think as long as they all use that same blade style, mine worked just fine. So I've been very happy with it. Take a look at this and think about getting one today. It comes as a box of 3, so you won't have consumed the first blade before you'll know if this is be a good blade for you, and it's going to be one that I think you'll have for quite a while. Just a little cleanup once in a while will be fine. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.